Hey, what's up everyone? So today I'm gonna just do a little upgrade on the truck. I'm gonna show you what I got. See, I just got this Ford Performance door seal plates, I think that's what they're called. And I also bought a new third light LED, since those light bulbs I replaced. See, as you can see, the right ones is going out already, so it's not bad after a year. See, there it is. It looks like the factory LED, but it's just a cheaper version. Let's see how it comes out. Hopefully I don't get no roof leaks or anything, but it has a pretty good gasket, so hopefully we don't have to worry about that. So yeah, let's start with those sill plates. Yeah, this should be an easy replacement. See, as you can see, they're just clips, so just pop right out. See, then it should just pop in. So it looks a lot better. Just gotta get me some new floor mats. So go do the other side. And as you can see, they come out pretty easy. Just grab your fingers, corner. Line it up where the clips go, push them down, and that's it. See, that's a pretty simple mod, you know. Those look a lot better than this simple ones. I don't know, hopefully they sell the ones for the rear. If they do, I'm gonna try to find them and get them. But for now, those look pretty good. And there's the part number in case anybody needs it. Alright guys, so now I'm gonna go ahead and replace the third brake light. Alright guys, so for the third brake light, it looks like we're gonna need a flat screwdriver or a 7 or 8 millimeter. I'll confirm with you guys. Let me get that real quick. Alright guys, so it is a 7 millimeter. Alright guys, so here's a before and after before I pull it out. See, that's the stock one. Supposedly it's just plug and play. So okay guys, so yeah, the clips are different. See, I'm gonna have to shave. See, look at that one, and look at this one. It'll match, so I'm gonna have to shave this one. I'm gonna have to shave this one down a little bit to make it fit, and hopefully that works. Alright guys, so I don't know if you can see it, but I shaved it off with a knife, so hopefully it fits now. Okay, so it did fit. I'll go ahead and try them out. Okay, looks like they're working. Alright guys, so make sure you wipe all the dust off real good. Use some alcohol or something to get everything nice and clean. Alright guys, so the seal, it's on. That's on, excuse me. Alright guys, so looks like this thing don't fit. I don't know if they sent me the wrong part or I ordered the wrong part, but I'll have to double check. As you can see, look at the big gap. Alright guys, well thanks for watching, and I'll keep you guys updated on the new third brake light I ordered. And I hope you guys have a good one. Hit the like button and subscribe. See you guys next time.